Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to create a custom store URL on Sellfy. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in sellfy.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Sellfy if of course you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, we can see that we have your profile where you have your account settings, billing, email notifications, purchases, logout, etc. You have all the information about your store here and marketing in the left side also. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and create a custom store URL on Sellfy. So creating a custom store URL on Sellfy involves a few steps. Here's a quick guide to help you step it up. First of all, purchase a domain. So name, first you'll need to buy a domain name from a domain registrar like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or any other provider. Then access DNC settings, log into your domain's register account and find the DNC settings for your domain. After that, create a CNAME record. In the DNC settings, create a new CNAME record. For the name or host field, enter @ or your chosen subdomain, for example, www. For the points of value field, enter domains.sellfy.com. Then you need to go and connect the domain to Sellfy, log into your Sellfy account, go to store settings, then domains, enter your custom domain, for example, www.yourstorename.com, and then verify the connection. And that will be that basically. So guys, as I said, that will be that for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. And of course, until then guys, as always, bye.